But do you know what I mean? Like really heavy breathing, or even if they're just sat there watching the TV and all you can hear is, like, okay, here. So I know how to get you on my side. You're watching Coronation Street,
Right.
I'm sat here going, is that not just the most annoying thing in the history of annoying things?
Yeah, it's annoying.
It's just the worst. What is wrong with you? Go to the doctors.
Do I have an asthma checkup?
Use your pump. Do you know what I mean? Yeah, because that's not as annoying, is it? Bless her.